Is your phone acting up? Have a cracked screen? Or is your battery draining too fast? You might be tempted to become a DIY smartphone surgeon, but before you can grab that screwdriver, let's talk about the risks and rewards of attempting phone repairs at home. So you think you can fix that cracked screen yourself, yeah? Well, hold on for a second. DIY phone repairs can be a real gamble. Let's break down the risks. First off, there's the risk of losing your precious data. One wrong move and your contacts, photos, and everything else can vanish into thin air. Next, you could end up causing even more damage to your phone. Those tiny components are delicate, and it's easy to break something you can't see. And let's not forget about the warranty programs. Most phone manufacturers won't honor it if you try to fix the phone yourself. Some phone parts, like batteries, can be downright dangerous. You risk a fire, explosion, or even chemical burns. Repairing your phone can be a time-consuming process as well, especially if you're not tech-savvy. You might end up spending hours only to find out you can't fix it. Now let's talk about the benefits of professional phone repair. Professional phone repair technicians have the skills and experience to fix your phone quickly and correctly. They use genuine parts and ensure your phone performs like new. Many repair shops also offer warranties, giving you a peace of mind. Professional repairs are often done faster, so you can get back to using your phone in no time. Your data is safe in the hands of a professional. Keep that in mind. Now, while it's tempting to save money by fixing your device yourself, it's usually a lot better if you leave it to the experts. A professional repair service company can save you time, money, and a lot of headache. If you're looking for a reliable phone repair service company, check out LML Repair. They're experts in their field and offer top-notch service.